Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Eternal Voyager Fischl. This refers to her special outfit, Ein Emmernichstraum, which was originally a free reward during a limited-time event. For those who missed that opportunity, this elegant costume is now available for direct purchase within the game's shop. We will go over both the past event method and the current acquisition process, ensuring you know exactly how to add this stylish look to your Fischl. Originally, the Ein Emmernichstraum outfit was a free reward during the Resonating Visions event. To earn it, players embarked on an adventure across the Golden Apple Archipelago, diligently collecting 16 special items called phantasmal conches. Meeting certain adventure rank requirements, typically 32 or higher, and completing specific story quests were prerequisites for joining this exciting event. If you missed the limited-time event, don't worry. Fischl's Ein Emmernichstraum outfit is permanently available for purchase in the in-game shop. You can find it under the Outfits section. The cost for this beautiful costume is 1,680 Genesis crystals. These crystals are a premium currency, typically acquired by exchanging real-world money, offering a straightforward way to obtain the outfit. It's important to remember that acquiring the Ein Emmernichstraum outfit only provides the costume, not the character Fischl herself. If you don't already have Fischl, you'll need to obtain her separately, either through character event wishes when she is featured, or by purchasing her from Payman's Bargains when she is in rotation. Make sure Fischl is part of your roster to fully enjoy her Eternal Voyager look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.